Hi, and welcome to another video from Tube Money, where I teach you how to make money on YouTube. In this video, I am going to reveal my ultimate guide to profitable YouTube niches without revealing your face. Be sure to watch the section at the end where I talk about my favorite niche number 10, and you don't have to show your face. Please like, share, and subscribe, because this helps me keep producing more videos like this one. Now let's get straight to the video, my ultimate guide to profitable YouTube niches without revealing your face. YouTube offers a wealth of potential for income generation, and what many may not realize is that you can achieve this without ever appearing on camera. While YouTube stars raking in millions of views and dollars are well known, there are equally, if not more, creators who remain behind the scenes yet earn significant income while retaining their anonymity. Here's how it works. You begin by selecting a niche, essentially a content category. Then you curate and enhance videos related to your chosen niche before uploading them to YouTube. The key to success lies in optimizing your content to attract views and audience engagement. One of the ways to generate income on YouTube is by enabling ads on your videos, where YouTube pays you for each view your video garners. Often, the most challenging step in this journey is selecting the right niche from the thousands available. In this video, I'll simplify the decision-making process by sharing my ultimate guide to profitable YouTube niches without revealing your face. These niches have a proven track record of generating substantial income, with many channels within them earning thousands of dollars monthly. What makes faceless YouTube channels truly appealing is that anyone, regardless of charisma or on-camera presence, can start one, and they never have to show their face. Today, I'm here to share my insights and help you kickstart your own YouTube journey. The niches I'm about to unveil encompass a wide range of interests and have demonstrated their profitability, with channels within these niches consistently earning substantial monthly incomes. Without further ado, let's delve into my top 10 niche recommendations to set you on the path to success in your YouTube journey. Niche 1, Health Remedies and Self-Care, provide a valuable resource for individuals seeking natural remedies, wellness advice, and alternative health solutions to address common health issues. Your focus should be on offering practical and holistic approaches to improving well-being and managing everyday ailments. By sharing these remedies and tips, you can empower your audience to take charge of their health and explore alternative options beyond conventional medicine. Your content can serve as a comprehensive guide, covering a wide range of health concerns and offering insights into natural solutions that can complement traditional treatments. Your goal is to promote a balanced and holistic approach to health, emphasizing the importance of self-care and prevention. Through your platform, individuals can access valuable information that can contribute to their overall well-being and enhance their quality of life. Niche 2, Self-Improvement. Empower individuals to reach their full potential by offering guidance and counsel on personal growth, effective communication, and essential life skills. Your mission should be to equip people with the tools and insights they need to enhance their personal and professional lives. By sharing practical tips and advice, you can facilitate positive transformation and inspire individuals to become the best versions of themselves. Focusing on personal development, communication, and life skills will enable you to address fundamental aspects of self-improvement. Your content can serve as a valuable resource for those seeking to navigate the challenges of modern life while striving for personal excellence. Through your guidance, you can help individuals unlock their true potential and lead more fulfilling lives. Niche 3, Lap of Luxury. Highlight the lavish lifestyles enjoyed by the wealthy and renowned, featuring opulent properties, luxurious yachts, and extravagant living arrangements. Your focus should be on providing viewers with an inside look at the extravagant aspects of celebrity and high net worth individuals' lives. By showcasing these elements, you can offer a glimpse into a world of luxury and extravagance, allowing audiences to indulge their curiosity and desire for a taste of the high life. Your content can serve as a source of fascination and aspiration, offering a peek into the rarefied world of the rich and famous. The goal is to provide entertainment and insight into the lifestyles of those who have achieved extraordinary success and wealth allowing viewers to marvel at the possibilities that come with affluence. Through your platform, audiences can immerse themselves in the allure of opulence, all from the comfort of their own screens. Niche 4, charisma empower individuals to enhance their social aptitude, refine their communication abilities, and cultivate charisma, thereby equipping them to thrive in diverse social contexts. Your goal is to provide the tools and insights necessary for individuals to navigate social interactions with confidence and effectiveness. Focusing on social skills, communication, and charisma development will enable you to address key aspects of interpersonal growth. Your guidance can serve as a valuable resource for those seeking to excel in their personal and professional lives by fostering meaningful connections and leaving a lasting impression. Through your assistance, individuals can refine their social acumen, communicate more effectively, and project a magnetic presence in any social situation. Niche 5, Techie Gadgets. Examine and present comprehensive reviews of the most recent technology, gadgets, offering in-depth insights into their functionalities and advantages. Your mission is to inform your audience about the latest innovations in the world of tech, helping them make informed decisions when considering new gadgets or devices. By showcasing these gadgets, you can highlight their unique features and demonstrate how they can enhance daily life, work, or leisure activities. Your reviews should aim to serve as a valuable resource for tech enthusiasts, guiding them in their quest to stay up to date with the ever-evolving world of technology. Through your content, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of the practical applications and benefits of these cutting-edge devices, ultimately helping them make well-informed choices in their tech purchases. Niche 6, Future Technology. Engage in conversations about the latest and upcoming technology, trends, and innovations that hold the potential to shape our future. Explore and analyze the dynamic landscape of emerging technologies, offering insights and perspectives on their implications for society, industries, and daily life. By delving into these topics, you can provide valuable information to your audience, keeping them informed and prepared for the rapid changes ahead. Focusing on emerging technology trends allows you to foster a forward-thinking and innovative mindset, encouraging individuals to adapt and thrive in a tech-driven world. Your discussions can shed light on breakthroughs that may revolutionize various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation and beyond. Through these conversations, you can facilitate a deeper understanding of the exciting possibilities and challenges that lie ahead in the realm of technology. Niche 7, Make Money Online. Disseminate a wealth of strategies, methods, and opportunities for generating online income, spanning the spectrum from freelancing to launching your very own online enterprise. Your aim is to provide a comprehensive resource for individuals seeking financial independence and flexibility in the digital realm. By sharing these insights, you can empower your audience to explore various avenues for online income generation, tailoring their approach to their skills and goals. Your content should serve as a valuable guide, addressing the intricacies of online freelancing, digital entrepreneurship, and other income-generating possibilities in the digital landscape. The goal is to facilitate financial self-reliance and highlight the diverse paths available in the online space, ultimately helping individuals harness the power of the Internet to secure their financial future. Through your platform, individuals can access practical information that can pave the way for financial success and autonomy. Niche 8. Finding a job support job seekers in their quest for employment by offering a wealth of tips, resume crafting expertise, and invaluable career guidance. Your mission should be to empower viewers with the tools and knowledge they need to navigate the competitive job market effectively. By sharing these insights, you can facilitate a smoother and more successful job search process, helping individuals stand out in their applications and interviews. Your content can serve as a reliable resource, addressing crucial aspects of job hunting, from optimizing resumes to acing interviews. The objective is to bolster individuals' confidence and competence in their job search endeavors, ultimately aiding them in securing meaningful employment opportunities. Through your platform, job seekers can access practical information that can be instrumental in their career advancement and professional growth. Niche 9, mental health empower individuals to reach their fullest potential by offering guidance and counsel on personal growth, effective communication, and essential life skills. Your mission should be to equip people with the tools and insights they need to enhance their personal and professional lives. By sharing practical tips and advice, you can facilitate positive transformation and inspire individuals to become the best versions of themselves. Focusing on personal development, communication, and life skills will enable you to address fundamental aspects of self-improvement. Your content can serve as a valuable resource for those seeking to navigate the challenges of modern life while striving for personal excellence. Through your guidance, you can help individuals unlock their true potential and lead more fulfilling lives. Niche 10, dating advice. Offer guidance and support to individuals navigating the complexities of dating, relationships, and matters of the heart. Your mission is to provide a trusted resource for those seeking advice and insights into building meaningful connections and enduring love. By sharing your expertise, you can empower people to make informed decisions and foster healthier, more fulfilling relationships. Your content should serve as a valuable source of wisdom, addressing various aspects of dating, from first impressions to maintaining long-term partnerships. The objective is to facilitate personal growth in the realm of love and relationships, helping individuals develop stronger connections and navigate the challenges that often accompany matters of the heart. Through your platform, people can access practical information and emotional support to improve their dating experiences and nurture lasting, loving relationships. Within these niches lies abundant potential for establishing a thriving YouTube channel while maintaining your privacy by not revealing your face. Select the one that harmonizes with your passions and expertise and embark on your YouTube adventure right away. Keep in mind that unwavering dedication and consistently delivering top-notch content that deeply connects with your intended viewers are pivotal to achieving success. Best of luck on your journey. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.